Sometimes I wake up in the morning and I see the outside world, and I think to myself that I just want to escape my daily routines. I want to travel.
I wish I could get away.
But I have a lot of responsibilities and bills, so I can't just hop on a plane and go to Rome anytime I want. I'm not rich. I have to work. So even though I can't afford Rome, I can afford to have Rome food. So I grabbed my friend, in this case my twin sister, headed to the Central Market cooking school. And this is our honest review. We just made it to Central Market and we're about to do their cooking school.
When you can't afford Rome, but you want Rome food.
As we made our way inside Central Market, it became apparent that we had absolutely no idea where the we were going.
Did she get me looking around? I did.
After walking around the store a few times, we finally caved in and we decided to ask for directions. And let me tell you, we would have never found this crap on our own. So it's actually up this staircase. That's right, we have to go upstairs. The first thing they have you do is sign a waiver. Honestly, I didn't even read it, I just signed it. Okay, for all those people that are judging me because I didn't read the fine print, I just want to say I'm not buying a house, I'm not buying a car. It's a 1-hour live demonstration class on food. I think I'm fine. Okay, so as we were seated, the first course was already brought in, which is cookingeducation de zucchini. I don't even know how to say this. But honestly, I'm not here to learn the language. I'm here to learn how to make the food and to eat the food, which is so delicious, by the way. I loved it. They also gave us these Italian type of drinks, and they were also really good. So while we enjoyed the first course, we had a live demonstration on how to make it. The other two courses also had the same format, and one thing I loved is having a packet with all the recipes, so I don't have to take my own notes. Okay, the next course was Osta al Zazzona, also known as the filthy rich dish from Rome. Okay, so I have never been a fan of Italian sausage, but I thought this was delicious, so I would probably eat it again. Which is great because now I know how to cook it. And the last course was crostata ricotta e biscogliole. I don't know how to say that. Again, I'm so sorry about my mispronunciation. But I can say this was so delicious. This is also known as the Roman cherry cheesecake. Oh my gosh, I really wanted to lick the plate, but I'm in public, can't do that. First of all, I love live demonstration classes. That was like going to a restaurant, but knowing how to make the food whenever you're done with it.
So what was your favorite out of all of the meals that we watched being made today? What was your favorite?
Mine has to be
number one.
Number one. I think the appetizer, the zucchini bites, just because of the sauce. But it's a very close call between that and the cheesecake.
Mine was the pasta. The cheesecake was good, but I think mine was the pasta. And then the zucchini.
Happy cooking!
Okay, 1, 2.
You didn't say 3.
I almost said 3.
Happy cooking!